Prepare for battle. Select your hero.
Oh, fuck.
Death
3,
walks
2,
among you.
1. Fight.
Ones are you?
Enemy turret ahead! Stop!
Enemy eliminated.
Enemy turret ahead.
Eliminated.
Enemy turret destroyed.
Enemy eliminated.
Don't make me do it to him.
Winner.
Killed them all.
Score 1-0.
What did our Bastion do?
Prepare.
I don't know.
Like, hello? Hello?
Select your hero.
I got a kill, did I not?
Bastion? We might have shared a kill, but I have 3 limbs.
Okay.
Fucking egg boy. What a fucking name.
With every death,
Don't judge him.
honor.
1.
With honor,
Fight.
redemption.
Oh! That hurt.
Eliminated.
Weakness.
If that had hit, oh, you would be fucking dead. Oh, I'm dead, you're dead, we're all dead.
I'm not dead.
Now you are.
I hit him!
Man, imagine if I had survived just long enough to heal you again.
Yeah.
Select
It's-
your hero.
It's time. Are you recording?
Yeah.
It's time. I'm gonna show them my microwave skills.
Then I'll show them my Zenyatta skills.
Oh, you're so fucking. You're wasting all of the heroes that I'm good with.
And an Orisa?
Why-
Yes.
Why can't you just pick all the characters I don't use?
Because I was starting to like them.
It's because I pick the fun and easy characters. I'm not good with mouse and keyboard, so I pick the easy characters to make myself.
Road
feel
dog.
better. He always comes up there every time there's a Roadhog. Don't fucking hit me with that. Fuck, 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 fuck. You can't. You can't win.
Eliminated.
Wow, and I killed a Reaper too. Oh, oh, Bridget. Oh no, this is not a. Oh, get her. Yes.
Kicked you in the face, bitch. Whoop!
So
Watch me whip
To 1.
and watch me in an A.
anybody who watches this video, I'm normally a 1v3 Symmetra, but Bridget is a new addition, and she the stun and then the hit and then the shift. You're dead, and if only she had walked through where I had put my thingies. Why are you Genji?
1.
I was waiting for you to ask. But you didn't ask, so I think I can throw one.
You know what? I'll trust that you can do this. I'm not even gonna heal you. Oh. Okay, yeah, I was gonna say, they didn't win, so they still have Bridget. That's great. I love that.
Oh, I thought my shift was up.
Bridget, you make me sad. I used to 1v3.
What is he doing? I don't understand.
You need to stop.
Me?
Prepare for battle. Select
I'm talking to the Bridget.
Oh. Bridget, you make me sad. I used to 1v3. You need to step. Okay. Let's go solo trip. I'd say sit on Egg Boy, but I don't know anymore.
Egg Boy, like his name would suggest, will shatter under pressure.
Match point.
Ooh, that was a good one.
Yeah. I don't know.
I'm actually, yeah, that was good.
They're coming this way.
Everyone, heal up.
Okay, you need to not leave the Roadhog because he's
I had to get Mercy.
he's doing things to my body, and I need you to take him out.
That's
Okay.
how I do it.
I was about to whip the pistol out and kill the Roadhog. Like I was gonna let you guys just dish into him, and then the moment you were both about to die,
Oh,
I was.
sure.
Oh god, I bought that fucking intro. I think. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this pro.
You're lucky my orb was on you.
He can't hit me. Well, I mean, Symmetra passive heals, so
Yeah, but not enough for what he was doing.
he wouldn't hit me again. Trust me, I know the moves.
Sure.
You know the moves, and so do I.
Wow.
Ooh,
Fourth
I
that's an
leveled up.
XP.
I got another loot box.
Very nice.
I have four loot boxes.
I have enough time for one more game.
One more game. What time is it? Oh my god, it's 12. When you leave, I'm gonna eat pizza and feel like shit.
I don't know what I'm going to do, but I'm going to do it.
You're gonna go be a taxi, and then you're gonna come back.
Yep.
There's no time for anything else in between, right?
What do you
Like you're just gonna go, pick up, drop off, come back, eat, and then we're gonna play.
Probably.
Okay, good.
My brothers are going to be home earlier today, so I may not be able to play the full time. They'll be loud. So I may not be able to record, I guess. But I'll be able to
But we
play.
can
We
can
can
still
just
play.
if we're just doing riffs, that's fine because that's just grinding.
Yeah.
Which I may record when we get back. Just
I mean,
so that's
you could-
proof.
you could record with no audio if you had to.
True.
You could find some
Non-copyrighted music.
yeah. I was trying to find the word they use.
Yeah, game out.
And you could make it like a montage of our really boring Necromancer gameplay.
Yeah.
Alright, time to bridge it.
Time to Hanzo get that first pick.
With every death comes honor.
Prepare for battle.
Honor.
Select your hero.
Oh, they got a 2 prestige. You gonna pick
Talking to
character?
my dad on Facebook,
You gonna
playing
pick
games.
character?
Oh my
You got-
god,
there you
I
go.
thought I already picked Bridget.
With every death comes
Alright, I'm gonna need you to not die, so I'm gonna come with you.
redemption. See through the dragon's eyes.
Oh, well, there's a beep.
There they are.
Come here, Genji. Come here. Come here.
Enemy eliminated.
Where the fuck? Alright. Alright, you know,
He's up top. Oh, there's a Jonzo.
hold on. Hold
Oh.
I was gonna say, play around until I can heal you.
I just looked over and he was just falling into the sky. Pretty good.
Select your hero.
So apparently my mother is in Moncton.
Oh, okay.
3, 2, 1.
I'm gonna follow you when I should probably follow the widow.
Probably.
Enemy
Oh wow, that was fast. Yep, should have followed the widow.
Let me get you patched up.
No, actually, okay. Wait, I'm gonna give you the damage.
Oh,
Ooh,
he should have gave me the B. the heal.
You back in the fight.
Her healing is not better than mine. You need to stop sucking.
Enemy eliminated.
No!
Oh, that's unfortunate. Oh, please. No!
Oh,
He
that
had
would have
no
been
health.
magnificent.
To one.
That would have been my moment.
Prepare for battle. Select
How did you not kill him?
Because I almost killed him the first time, but Moira kept healing him. Then I switched to Moira, and he sniped him before. Could be useful.
Oh, now I'm gonna have to follow that Winston because he'll wreck.
Yeah, I'll go Sen.
He said almost. Don't fucking talk to me, Arachnid. Revive was risky.
Yeah, you should have revived me.
He would have killed me.
Darkness falls.
Enemy seen.
Oh my god, they're camping spawn.
enemy eliminated.
It's a massacre.
Enemy eliminated.
There's a Widow Washer.
Yeah, there is. She's
She's almost dead.
come here.
Winner.
Rip.
Was that the guy I was fighting last time?
I don't know.
Select your hero.
Listen.
I guess I'll go Reinhardt.
Any Mercy who whips out the pistol to kill somebody, that's BM.
Point. Enemy
Sorry.
eliminated.
No Genji for you.
He fucking did me dirty, but I got him. You got to go after her.
I don't know
the
where.
McCree, the McCree has the damage to kill her, but you have the sweep. She won't recover it fast enough unless she pot shots you, so you've just got to find her. She's probably hiding in a corner.
Bet you couldn't spectate coming. Jesus. I hear you.
That's her, cause yep.
30 seconds remaining.
Boom, shakalaka laka boom, kaboom. We did it. Yes, we did. Jackass.
Play of the game.
Wait,
Yeah,
that's a
here it is.
Lucio?
Here it is. But watch what happens. I felt
Oh, I didn't
it.
even see him.
I felt it coming, and I prepared for it. It's gonna show it.
Oh, you killed him anyway.
Get fucked. Get fucked. I thought the Genji was gonna get me. I noticed that you crushed him, so I was like, the Lucio will get me. He's gonna push me off the edge. I have to prepare for it. Oh, my legs hurt so bad. Everything
That
hurts.
was pretty good. Thanks for watching.